What's up guys, Ollie Mclay back here in another video, and in today's video we're going to react to Funny Kitchen Fails 2022 compilation. Anyway, moving on, let's get started.
Tell me what kind of pie you made.
Oh god, it's going to be funny.
Haley?
Okay.
Avery!
Over here, eh?
What's that?
And this is why my sister doesn't cook. Jesus!
What happened there?
Just put it in!
This is why I don't cook, you guys!
I mean, that is actually quite funny, I'm not going to lie at all. That sounds like my mum's off that.
Gosh!
This is actually kind of funny, I'm not going to lie.
Stop the thing.
The phone can't. My eardrums.
I got that on video too.
Oh, that's quite funny, that though. That's a total me moment though, like I'd definitely do that.
I will put half a teaspoon of salt in.
So that's quite funny though. I should use the TikTok or something. What did you say? What did the cat say? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Good luck to anyone.
Not funny. This guy.
Playing that. How you doing, bro?
Mom.
Don't do a thing.
I got screwed around. What happened? Yeah, that's great funny that, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
Isn't it cute?
Rip the cake. Someone's having that. Oh, Christ. Don't get me from right, please. My dad's done that's very funny.
Place it on the cookie sheet. No. Good. He's gonna have a hernia.
You dumbass.
Actually just hit him. Cats, yeah, doesn't know how to. Don't put your face in it. That's very funny. Probably burning hot and might burn themselves, but not here.
So guess who's cooking?
Me!
Yeah, me.
Guessed it.
That's cold. That's cold. Okay.
You got it.
I did it.
Trying to do a trend, but then it kind of failed, you know what I mean? Woo!
This is a story all about how my life
Flipped and on the floor. Now, like, take a minute, just sit right there. You could literally die doing that, bro. Like, man.
On your forehead.
The papas.
That's just an on camera. That's cracking the face. Oh, cakes! Poor cakes! And Yorkshire's no one.
Oh my!
He's in trouble. He's getting fired straight away. Oopsie daisies. I mean, things happen, you know? Rip the X like that.
Yeah, exactly. Tell them what you said.
You were just downstairs.
Okay, but tell yeah, exactly. What do you think I called you?
That
What are you
is so
doing?
I don't know. Oh, how's already fail? What the hell? My glove caught on fire.
Take my glasses off.
that's true.
Alright. Oh, maybe it's this.
Oh, when kids don't know what's actually happening. I mean, that actually could be lucky dangerous, not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. It's
Mom, you're fanning
unbelievable.
the flame.
I think I'd try to take
Yeah, that's baking soda, not water. Not water.
Baking soda. Close it up.
Not water, close it.
Honey,
Good
it's
job, good job, Brianna.
Way to go.
Good job.
How's baking powder gonna help? I think I like a lot, and it. I haven't made it. My friend, my cousin's dogs. Oh gosh. Can't like sit down.
You're a
Fuck that.
lunatic.
You're a lunatic. Oh my gosh, so unbelievable.
Switch to Chrome to protect yourself from malware. Less worrying, more surfing.
Mess everywhere. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess? Avery, come here.
Avery,
Come here.
go on, go.
Avery, can you tell me who made this mess?
Okay.
In your mouth.
In the air. Okay, all right.
1, 2.
Oh no! Stitches! I
Cake.
Is that a cake? No, surely not. Can't be. He's gonna hit his. Thought it would. No cake, not a bad idea though. Let's go try to do it.
You really like those pizzelles, don't you?
Meant to be reacting kids cooking, but you know what? Things can change. What's exactly happening here? I'm not entirely sure. Looks like the house is setting.
Cheese. No. Not exactly.
I didn't use it for Super Bowl and I wanted to get rid of
This is
it.
poison.
You see me control there, guys? Like. Popcorn ripped. Don't let dogs get that. Could kill them. Spitting everywhere. If I was you, I'd turn the oven off, maybe. You know? But people shoot a bit, aren't they?
Colton. What are y'all doing?
Called in.
Oh,
My goodness.
you're in trouble.
Trouble. That's right for me, that.
How's the pancake going?
So gonna fold this. It's real good. It's real good, isn't it? Real good.
What are you doing? No, don't do that.
I can't crack it anymore.
Turn around this way. What is he doing?
What am I looking at exactly? You know what? We don't really care, do we? I'm not particularly bothered. Give me a heart attack as well, that. Whew.
What's the matter?
Can you help me? What the hell is that?
What do you caught on there?
Oh my god.
God's sake. Language? What's the cat gonna do? That's all about the story. What is that cat gonna do? What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do when he comes for you? This moment he knew. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. That's me, Ollie, and this video. Ow!